In today's video, I'm going to show you how to accept a Shopify Collaborator request step by step. Accepting a collaborator request in Shopify is a straightforward process, but it's an important one because it allows trusted partners like developers, designers, or marketing experts to access your store without sharing your personal login details. In 2025, Shopify has made the process even smoother through the admin dashboard. Here's exactly how it works, step by step. When a collaborator request is sent to you, Shopify notifies you by email and also inside your admin dashboard. Start by logging into your Shopify admin here. On the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on Settings. From there, go to the Users and Permissions section. This is where all the access details for your store are managed. At the top of this section, you'll see a notification about pending collaborator requests. Click on it to review the request. You'll be able to see which Shopify partner or collaborator sent it, along with the specific permissions they're asking for. For example, they might want access to manage products, apps, themes, or billing, depending on what they're helping you with. Take a moment to carefully review the request. If everything looks good, click Accept Request, and Shopify will grant them access immediately. If you'd like to limit their permissions, you can uncheck any areas you don't want them to control before finalizing. Once accepted, the collaborator can log into your store from their Shopify partner account and begin working. If you don't recognize the request or don't feel comfortable granting access, you can simply decline it. Shopify won't give them any access unless you explicitly approve it, so you're always in control. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.